Hey all, my name is Paul Borosky and I am the owner of Quality Business Plan. And what I'd like to do today is to share with y'all what's in my hair and eyelash extensions business plan template. So the way the video is going to play out is first and foremost going to go ahead and give you all a little bit of background about me, who I am, what I do, and why I do it. From that point in time, we're then going to go ahead and walk through the Word document portion of my hair and eye extension business plan template. And from there, I'll go ahead and give you all a little bit of information about where you can go ahead and purchase the hair and eyelash extension business plan template if you are so interested. And so with that said, foundation set, let's go ahead and zip through this little handy dandy PowerPoint presentation that I've got concocted for y'all. So as promised, a little bit about me. Again, Paul Borosky, MBA, doctoral candidate, as well as owner of Quality Business Plan. I am a professional business plan writer, strategic planner, mentor, as well as a financial projection consultant. So if y'all need some assistance in writing your business plan, whether it be for a custom business plan or for completing the business plan template, if you need some help with a strategic plan, if you just need some mentoring, you're starting your business or you're looking to grow your business and you just need some thoughts and ideas on where you're going with it, or if you need some help completing the business plan template, I am available for mentoring. And then if your business plan is ready to go, but you just need financial projections, I am your man to call. I can do your financial projections as well as write your business plan with financial projections. You tell me what you need and I am the man to assist. All right. Also, I am an author of numerous books published on Amazon.com focused on business plan writing. And also, I do have almost 6,600 followers in YouTube. So I'm pretty popular there as well. And finally, I am an adjunct professor and subject matter expert for both business and finance. So again, I've got some academics backing up my thoughts and ideas about my templates and strategies used therein. All right, so with that said, let's go ahead and introduce the star of the show, which is the hair and eyelash extension business plan. So the business plan template, the hair and eyelash business plan template, it comes with two documents, which is going to be the Word document, which is this document right here. And then it also comes with the Excel file, and the Excel file would be this one right here. And the Excel file is the financial model. And so here is the financial model. Say hello, financial model. And this financial model, I do provide a tutorial for that, but it is a separate video. This video is focused on what is included in the Word document portion of it. All right, so with that said, let's go ahead and zip through it. So once you purchase the hair and eyelash extension business plan template, and you open up the Word document, you're going to see the title page, and on the title page it's going to say hair and eyelash extension business plan. Most of my clients, what they're going to do is they're going to get rid of the hair and eyelash extension. They'll put a logo there, and then they'll leave the business plan underneath. The next section is going to be the table of contents. So the table of contents, as you go through the business plan, you add a little bit more meat to the bone, expand it, put your information in there and make it your own. What you're going to inevitably want to do is come to the table of contents, click on it, click and update the table. Click on update entire table, click OK, and all the headers and all of the page numbers will update for you. The next section is going to be the executive summary section. In the executive summary section, anywhere where you see yellow throughout the document, you do want to go ahead and review it and or put your information in there. So in the executive summary section, it's going to have a summary of your business, the target market summary, financial highlights, and the funding request. How much money do you need to get this party started? Now, for the financial highlights, you do need to go ahead and complete your financial model. You do want to go ahead and put all your information in the information page. And once you do that, you'll then go to the projections. And the first three numbers under the year one are the numbers you're going to want to use for updating the financial highlights. So for the next year, we project revenues of approximately, and then you see that it's aligned 623,000 with 623. Estimated expenses 481,000 aligned with 481, and then net profit 107 is aligned with 107. So you do want to go ahead and update the financial model, put your information in there, watch the tutorial, and then once you're done with that, go to the projections tab and pull out those numbers to update your financial highlights. The next section is going to be your company description. Right here is just, again, a summary of your hair and eyelash extension business. Competitive advantages, what are you going to do better than everybody else? And then I give you a brief starting point for the products and services. Here's the primary target market, pricing strategy, and then we're going to have hours of operation right here, location, where you're going to be, how many square feet, and so on and so forth. And then finally in this section is going to be the business objectives and timeline. So the business plan, what that does, it describes, what you're going to do, how you're going to do it, where you're going to do it, when you're going to do it, and why you're going to do it. Whereas your strategic plan is going to show, is your roadmap to success. It's going to show where you are now, and then it's going to set benchmarks and objectives of what you need to accomplish over the next 3 months, 6 months, 12 months, 3 years, and 5 years. So in this business plan template, I do provide you a snippet of a strategic plan. I don't get too far into in-depth explanations, but it just shows the reader that you do have plans for the future. The next section is industry analysis. This industry analysis, I did do research for hair and nail salons. That's the closest industry I can find for IBIS World, and I did summarize the information here. And then again, summarized it here. IBS World is credited for a resource. Next section is going to be your SWOT analysis, your strengths, your weaknesses, your opportunities, and threats. And I did, this is just general information. If you want to go ahead and update it, you just click on the Smart Art. Then you go right here where you have that little arrow that's pointing out. You click on that, and then you can go ahead and update the information accordingly. Next section is going to be your organizational structure. This is just going to be the ownership, who's going to be the owner, legal structure of the organization, and also the address, company name. Next section is going to be your organizational chart. Usually for a hair and eyelash extension, you might have your general manager. You're going to have hair extension technicians. You're going to have your eyelash technicians, and then maybe a receptionist. And again, if you do want to update this information, you just click on the chart, click on the arrow, and you can go ahead and delete anything as you see fit. Next section is going to be your marketing section, and most of, in my experience in working with hair and eyelash extension business owners throughout the U.S., typically the advertising approach is three-pronged, which is going to be your traditional, your internet, and your social media. So I do give you a starting point right here. Next section is going to be how much money do you need to get this party started, your funding request. For this example right here, I'm stating that we need $200,000 to get this launched, and the term for the loan is going to be between 8 to 12 years with an expected interest rate of 4 to 8%, and you can go ahead and change this information to meet your needs. The next section is going to be your financial projections in the financial model. In order to get this information right here, we do need to go ahead and complete the financial model. All the information page, put your information into the information page, and then your profit and loss pages will be here, and your income statement page will be here. So the profit and loss, it does cover month 1 through 3, then it goes to month 4 to 6, then we go to 7 to 9, then it's going to go to 10 to 12, and then we have the income statement, which covers 5 years. So once you go ahead and update your information on the financial model, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to copy and paste, Control C, and you're going to want to go ahead and change out the old financial projections. You want to get rid of those, and the way to do that is you'll highlight the financial projection, hit backspace, and then hit Control V, and now you have your new financial projections. All right, so hopefully this information was helpful. So let's go ahead and wrap it up, sum it up, and call it a day. And where is my... Oh, here it is. All right, so in summary, if you are interested in buying my hair and eyelash extension business plan template, it does come with the Word document, which is just what I covered. Also, this video right here is the tutorial on how to use the Word document portion of the hair and eyelash extension business plan template. It also comes with the basic financial model, which I briefly showed y'all. Also, I do have a video showing y'all how to use the financial model that's customized for the hair and eyelash extension industry. There are some limitations to my business plan template. First and foremost, that it is not compatible with Google Docs, and it's not compatible with the Apple product suite. If you do have a Mac, but you have Microsoft 365, then you should be okay with that, though. You do need Microsoft Office or Microsoft 365, and you do need Microsoft Excel in order to make the changes. And then if you do have some questions about my business plan template, I am available. Just give me a call at the number below, send me a text, or send me an email, this email right here. I'd be delighted to answer any questions that you have about my hair and eyelash extension business plan template before you purchase the document. However, after you purchase the document, if you have questions, you've got a couple options. First, you can go ahead and go to my tutorials, which are right here. So I do have several business plan tutorials showing you all how to use my Word document as well as the Excel file. Or you can go ahead and you can hire me as a mentor, and I can go ahead and assist y'all in completing the business plan template, or you can just pay me and I'll complete it myself and send y'all the completed document. So I do provide a lot of after service support, but it's not free. It is paid for. I would fill out the template for you. I can mentor you in telling you how to fill out the template, and I can also give you all the free tutorials, which are right here. Now, if you don't want to mess with tutorials and you don't want to go ahead and mess with the mentoring services, you just want the business plan written, I do offer custom business plan writing services. All you have to do is go to my website right here, qualitybusinessplan.com, and this is my prices page. And finally, if y'all are interested in purchasing my hair and eyelash extension business plan template, all you have to do is just visit this link right here, and it is available for purchase and immediate download. All right, hopefully this information was helpful. As always, go out, make a little bit of money, and have a great day. Thank you.